Alexander Hamilton was born in Charlestown, Nevis in the West Indies. No one knows what year he was born. Predictions were between 1755 and 1757. Attended a school in New York. His wife was Elizabeth Hamilton. He had 5 sons: John, Alexander, James, William, Philip Hamilton, and 2 daughters, Eliza and Angelica Hamilton. His education was he went to Columbia University, pursued studies in mathematics, but was cut short when he joined the army to serve next to Washington. His occupation was lawyer, politician, author, and financier. How did he come into politics? Washington recognized Hamilton's leadership abilities. Hamilton was promoted to lieutenant, and his position was one that could have hardly been achieved by an artillery commander. He was advisor to Washington as well as an innovator of military design. What makes him a founding father, he was at the Philadelphia meeting and gave 2 speeches. He defended the Constitution by writing things in the Federalist. He 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 was a contributor and he signed the Constitution. Relationship with other founders was John Monroe, Henry Lee, John Marshall, and Marquis Lafayette were some of the Continental Army officers next to Alexander Hamilton. His rival was Thomas Jefferson, where Thomas Jefferson had different beliefs that a centralized government was the correct way. Major writings Hamilton wrote for the Federalist. One of his speeches was given at the Constitutional Convention. He once said there is a certain enthusiasm in liberty that makes human nature rise above itself, in fact, a bravery in heroism. Ideas he supported and opposed: Alexander supported excess taxes, supported national bank, and also limited freedom of speech and press. He opposed the federal government, saying it's too weak. Political position: Hamilton was the first Secretary of Treasury, considered himself a Federalist who sought to expand national governmental power.